Hi everyone, this video is on exercise 12E question 3, and in this video I'm going to do parts C and D. So in this question we need to find a point or points on the curve with the equation y is equal to f of x where the gradient is 0. So basically what that means is that we first need to find the derivative of the function, and then we want to know what are the x values for which the gradient is 0. So that just means that we find dy by dx and we set that equal to 0, so we can find the x coordinates for which the gradient is equal to 0, and then we can find the corresponding y coordinates as well. So we first differentiate the function from part C. So we have x to the power of 3 over 2, so the power comes down as a coefficient and it becomes x to the power of a half. Then minus 6x differentiates to minus 6 and 1 differentiates to 0. Okay, now we want to know where the gradient is 0. So we set f dash x equal to 0, which means 3 over 2x to the power of a half is equal to 6. And now let's multiply both sides by 2 over 3. So we are going to get, we can write x to the power of half as a root x, is equal to 12 over 3, and that just equal to 4. So root x is equal to 4. Okay, now root x is equal to 4, so we need to square both sides, and if we do so we are going to get x is equal to 16. Right, so 16 is the x coordinate of the point for which its gradient is equal to 0, and we want to know what are the coordinates of the point. So we also need to find the y coordinates. So we just need to find f of 16, which means substituting 16 into f of x, and if you do so then we are going to get minus 31. So the coordinates of the point that the gradient is 0, we have 16 and minus 31. Right, now let's do part D. For part D, the function is x to the power of minus 1 plus 4x. So again, the approach is the same. We first find the derivative. X to the power of minus 1 differentiates to minus x to the power of minus 2, and 4x differentiates to 4. Now let's maybe let's rewrite this in a better form, because we are going to solve an equation. So if we rewrite this in the form, let's say we write this as minus 1 over x cubed plus 4. So this is probably going to be more helpful for us when we want to solve the equation. Okay, now we set f dash x equal to 0. Then that means we are going to have minus 1 over x squared plus 4 is equal to 0, which can be written as 1 over x squared is equal to 4. And now we do a cross multiplication, so we are going to get 1 over 4 is equal to x squared. Now we take the square root of both sides, and there are two solutions now, because both plus or minus 1 over 2 are going to work here. Okay, so this means we have 2 points for which the gradient is 0 for this function. And now we just need to find the y coordinates. So when x is equal to a half, we find f of a half, and when x is equal to minus a half, we find f of minus a half. So f of a half from this function is going to be 4, and then for the other one we get minus 4. So therefore the gradient is 0 when we have the coordinates 1 over 2, 4, and minus a half and minus 4. Okay, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.